Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Hey guys, want to capture that special occasion forever with the best quality photos you can get anywhere in our area? Well, then you need Through the Eyes of Sam Photography. Whether it's weddings, parties, events, or maybe your band needs some show photos taken, you can trust that you will get the best from Through the Eyes of Sam Photography. Give them a call at 423-839-5364 or look them up on Facebook. Fans, be sure to ask for the Tri-City Local Music discount. That's Through the Eyes of Sam Photography. The Hyperion and Tri-City Local Music presents St. Patrick's Day Weekend Party, March 19th with Below 7. Come out and celebrate the luck of the Irish and get your hands on some great food and drink specials from the Hyperion. That's Saturday, March 19th at 9 p.m. And as always, there's never a cover at the Hyperion. Must be 21 and ID is required. Brought to you by the Hyperion, Greenville, Tennessee and Tri-City Local Music.
Makes you wonder why we're
We are playing you the absolute best local, independent and unsigned artists from around the world. On the best local music radio in the Tri-Cities. Tri-City Local Music Radio.
This is Perry from Guerrilla Warfare. You're listening to Tri-Cities Local Music.
turn it up.
Listening to Tri-Cities local music.
Listen!
trust no one, I've made no friends, I'm as low as I can get. No pity for me, no sympathy, and I don't have any regrets. Get 'em up, it's time to fight. Get 'em up, don't lose sight. Get 'em up, see my gun, and now I'm done. Get 'em up, it's time to fight. Get 'em up, don't lose sight. Get 'em up, see my gun, what damage done. Depression all my life, and I don't know if I am sane. The sky gets dark, the sun comes up just to mitigate my pain. So I'm 35 and barely alive, a slug from my old 45.